2016 ROCKWOOD Signature Model 2604WS, Emerald Edition, less than 400 miles on it. Comes with everything you need to get set up to go camping today. Weight distribution hitch, 1,000 pounds. Rhino sewer hose in the back bumper, water hose, stabilizing blocks, X-Chocks. Has a super slide in back with a copper cover. You have a forward slide in the bedroom with a slide cover. That is actually the closet inside. Has 4 electric stabilizing jacks, a 6-gallon hot water heater, gas and electric DSI. Outside openings all have the bug covers on them. Water filtration system. Hot water heater. Outside scare light. Outside shower. Cable and satellite hookup. Tinted, tempered, safety bonded glass windows throughout. Frameless. Comes with a 30 amp electric hookup. Standard. Has a tire spare carrier with the cover. Actually has a location in the top center for a camera system. A rear ladder for gaining access to the roof. Aluminum wheels. 2 entry points in the back as well as the front. Two outside speakers, another scare light, and a patio light. Comes with a small table, as well as an outside gas adapter for a grill. TV, satellite hookup, for the TV mount. Front door. As I said, it was the Emerald Edition. And you have the standard storage pass-through. You actually have a solar panel you can hook up to here to charge your battery. Solid doors. Can't do this with standard doors and let them shut. Rear living sofa, which comes out to a bed to sleep too. You have 2 rear recliners. Nice sitting area. Lots of storage up above the recliners, as well as on the side. Super slide up top. Nice dinette with 4 chairs. Nice AM, FM, CD, stereo radio. 29-inch TV. A little charging station down here. Here the stereo is working throughout. Turn it off now. Raised panel, upgraded cabinetry for the refrigerator. Microwave. Gas stovetop. Gas oven never used. Stovetop, that works great. Everything works great on this unit. Corian countertops with a nice table extension on the side and 4 drawers for storage. Got great storage up top here in your kitchen. As well as underneath the cabinet here in front and back for all your pots and pans. You have the command center for electricity and everything you need up here. Storage on this back side. Underneath storage, pots and pans. Upgraded to a digital thermostat, make it a little bit more accurate. Come in here. The bathroom. Nice large corner shower, fiberglass and glass. Nice size storage behind the commode. Large commode. Elongated seat. All the pantries have shelf liner in them. You have a Creative Breeze large fan in the bathroom. Standard sliding door going into the bedroom. You got a medicine cabinet, sink in the corner, and storage underneath. Bedroom, queen size bed, will fit in here nicely. This actually has an upgraded Serta mattress with a heater built into it. You have the side storage cabinet here, as well as the side nightstands. Storage up top. Nice thing about this one here is you have a full closet to be able to store all your clothes. Not a lot of them do. Also have an area over here. I do have the mount for the TV, just never put it up. To put it in the bedroom. You have the standard storage at the foot of the bed up underneath, as well as 3 more drawers for storage up underneath the bed. Lots of storage in this unit. Lots of upgrades. It won't last long. It does have the day and night shades throughout on every window, as well as having the tinted covers up top that I put on. AC is 15,000 BTU, centrally ducted. Overall, great unit, exceptional and immaculate condition, less than 400 miles on it. Send me an email, let me know.